Hi guys, welcome back. I am so happy to have you here. In my video of last week titled Resown the Seeds, I showed you that I had put the seeds again in the pots where some of the seeds of summer vegetables had not germinated. And then I had marked those places by keeping colorful pebbles. If you have not watched that video, the link is in the I button as well as in the description box below. Today I am here to show you what has become of those seeds. First of all, let's check out these 4 rectangular pots. In my previous video about seeds, I told you that not a single seed of bottle gourd had germinated. Here I had sown 4 seeds again, and to my happiness, all the 4 have germinated. This is the first one, which is coming out nicely, the second one, the third one, and this is the fourth one. You may not be able to see this fourth one, but I can see the seed sprouting and trying to come out. I hope to show you bigger this next time. And now coming to this rectangular pot where I had sown 4 seeds of bitter gourd, as here too not even a single seed had sprouted earlier. But now, to my surprise, a seed which I had sown around 3 weeks ago has sprouted. And out of 4 I had resown, only 1 has germinated till now. So I have 2 seeds of bitter gourd trying to grow big. But as the bitter gourd seeds are very hard, I still feel that a seed or 2 will germinate in some time more. And now in this rectangular pot where 3 out of 6 seeds of kakdi had sprouted, I had put 4 more seeds here. Out of those, only 1 has sprouted till now, and 1 more seed of kakdi has germinated here, but it's not the one of those I re-sowed last week. Maybe it's the seed which I had sown 3 weeks ago. Anyway, now I have 5 plants of kakdi in this pot. More than enough. No worry, I just hope that they grow well. Now coming to this half part of this rectangular pot where I had resowed 4 seeds of Indian squash, tinda as we call it in Hindi, as none of the earlier seeds had sprouted. 1 out of 4 has germinated and it's very small. I do hope to get some more germinated seeds of Indian squash. This is the pot where my watermelon seeds are growing. I had put here 3 more seeds. Out of those, 2 have germinated. And this one has germinated from the seeds I had put in earlier. In these 4 pots and 2 buckets where I had put the seeds of chappan kaddu, a kind of pumpkin, only these 2 had germinated. I told you in my previous video that I sowed 4 more seeds, 3 in these pots and 1 in this bucket. And to my extreme joy, all the 4 have germinated and are doing very well. And now let's look at these 2 grow bags and 1 round pot where plants of ladyfinger are growing. In the round pot, I had resown 4 seeds of ladyfinger, and all the 4 have germinated. And in fact, in this place, 2 plants are coming out. Later on, I'll keep the healthier one. In this grow bag, I had sowed 4 seeds of ladyfinger. 3 have germinated till now, and I hope the 4th one also germinates soon. And in this one, watermelon plant has also come up. A gardening bonus. And in the other grow bag, I had sown only 1 seed and that one has germinated. In these 2 grow bags, pumpkins are growing, and I had told you earlier that only 1 pumpkin seed had sprouted. I had put 2 more seeds in this grow bag, out of which only 1 has germinated, and that too is still very, very small. I hope you can notice. In this grow bag, where no seed of pumpkin had sprouted earlier, I had put 3 seeds, out of which 2 have come up. This has really made me happy. So, friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.